everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral from -1 to 1 of absolute value of 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x dx. This one we have to look at the limits and look at, since it's absolute value, we have to look where this is 0. So if we set 3x minus 2 to the power of x equals 0, we're going to get 3 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of x. And this one you can do mentally, and just notice if x is 0, then you're going to get 3 to the power of 0 equals 2 to the power of 0, or 1 equals 1. So the only way that's going to happen is if x is 0. So we're going to split up our integral from -1 to 0, and that's where this will be negative. From -1 to 0, so you're going to write negative 3x minus 2x dx, just like you set up any absolute value sign. And then we're going to go from 0 to 1, and this part's going to be the positive part. 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x dx. All right, we're going to integrate this based on this formula here. So this is going to be negative, and we're going to take 3 to the power of x divided by log of 3, or you can use natural log. And then you have minus 2 to the power of x divided by log of 2. And we're evaluating from -1 to 0. And then do the same thing for this one. This is going to be 3 to the power of x divided by log of 3 minus 2 to the power of x divided by log of 2. And we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. All right. From here, let's go ahead and substitute in some values. Let me see if I can squeeze all this in. So this is going to give me negative, and I'm going to start with the 0. So you're going to get 3 to the power of 0 divided by log of 3 minus 2 to the power of 0 divided by log of 2. All right. And then you're going to write plus, and we're going to do our -1. So this is going to be 3 to the power of -1 divided by log of 3 minus 2 to the power of -1 divided by log of 2. Again, the reason this is plus is because you have two negatives here. So this is really minus a negative. That gives you the plus. All right, now for this side, we do the same thing. We're going to get, and I'm going to really squeeze it in here, 3 to the power of 1 divided by log of 3 minus 2 to the power of 1 divided by log of 2. And then you're going to have minus 3 to the power of 0 divided by log of 3 minus 2 to the power of 0 divided by log of 2. All right. Now, the next slide, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these two. We have two of these are the same thing. So I'm going to write this and then simplify this. So anything to the negative, this would be 1/3, right? So we're going to simplify all this. And for the first term and end term, we're just going to have -2. 3, we had 3 to the power of 0, that equals 1. So it's 1 divided by log of 3 minus 1 divided by log of 2. So that was the first term and last term. And then I'm just going to simplify the two middle terms we had. 1 divided by 3 log of 3 minus 1/2 divided by log of 2. All right. And then the third term was 3 to the power of 1. So I'm just going to put 3 divided by log of 3 minus 2 divided by log of 2. All right, now the last step is let's just group everything together. Let's group our logs of 3's together. And it's common denominator. So that would be log of 3. And then we don't forget this negative 2. So we have negative 2 plus 1/3 plus 3. And then we're going to have plus log of 2. So I'm just putting a plus here. So if I do a plus, we have negative 2, so that's going to be a positive 2. So that's going to be 2 negatives make a positive. And then we're going to have minus 1/2 here and minus 2 here. All right, this is going to give you equals 2, let's see, this right here is going to just be 4/3 divided by log of 3 plus this right here is just the 2's cancel, so you have negative 1/2 divided by log of 2. And it'd probably be better if you simplify all this by let's bring these denominators down. So this is going to be 4 divided by log of 3. And then this is going to be a minus. So minus 1 divided by 2 log of 2. So this is a good answer. If you wanted to, you could use your power property and bring this 3 here and the 2 here. And that would give you 4 divided by log of 3 cubed is 27, right? Minus 1 divided by log of 4. But I think I like it better, this answer here. Either way, it just depends on how much you want to simplify this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.